Hi guys, today we're going to do a demonstration on the SolBox SmartMove Safety platform. And as we can see here, there's a list of vehicles that have been loaded into this system. And we can see that each vehicle's details, location, capacity for load and weight, and also their expiry date for registration. The platform's been designed to proactively alert users and drivers when things need action and day-to-day reporting on pre-shift inspections. So what we can see here is there is pre-shift inspection that was completed, and it'll show this was a fail because 3 items were failed. And what we can see here is this was for this vehicle, and it was done at this time and this location, the kilometers on the vehicle, the payload that was on board, the driver that completed it, the duration of the report, and then the overall summary. And what we can see here is that this was a report that took place. Shows that the driver added some notes for each item, and we can see here they left photos and also the fact that there was a fail, and the fail was for the engine oil, basically saying that the vehicle was unable to drive because the engine was so low. And what we can see here is that there was also a car wash that was failed, which means that the vehicle didn't go through its regular routine, which means that the driver was notified. The difference between a critical fail means the driver cannot drive the vehicle, and a warning fail means the driver will just be notified and management would be aware of the situation. We can also see that the driver was timed based on how long it took him to answer each question, and the mass management plan that was associated with this driver's pre-start was a fail because the trailer had too much weight on board. We can also see the driver has signed off that he has completed this report and marked where the vehicle had some pre-existing damages. What we can also see is that once the vehicle has completed its report, this report can be emailed instantly with your logo attached to any third-party or internal management team. The user can also create a repair task for the items that were failed. It would allow the user to create an external or internal job card attaching any purchase orders or documentation for the repairer to have access. Once they hit save, it goes into the repairer's portal. The repairer can log in from their own PC or user, and they can have access to all the jobs that need to take place. Once each job has been completed and the tasks have been updated with notes, any user who has access can view the history and make reporting easy through a couple of clicks of a button. You can add repair notes for further inquiries or for reporting, with invoices also able to be attached. The driver has access to a mobile app which would provide very simple, intuitive instructions on how to complete a report. Once the driver completes the report, he signs off and he presses complete. If the vehicle is unable to be driven, there would be a notification that the driver cannot drive the vehicle. The driver has access to all the information in real time from the office, and the user can make changes in real time also. The system can handle mass management plans, which will alert the driver if the vehicle is loading more weight than it can handle. Mass management can also be serviced as part of a service repair plan, meaning that we can add items that need to be checked regularly for each vehicle. We can see this plan is called a special plan with 7 items, and it was assigned to certain vehicles in the reminders schedule for the services that are taking place. What we can see here is the kilometers or time until this service is due to be taken out by a internal or external mechanic. We can also then see further to then the repairs that took place, similar to the repairs that were taking place based on the safety plans. The system's been designed to create service checklists similar to the pre-start checklist, and they can be grouped as a plan and be completed by drivers, management, and mechanics. Thank you for listening.